Hi everyone, good afternoon. My name is Francisco Spagna. I am an agent of Legal Shield, which is also affiliated with Parker Stanbury. Hopefully everyone is doing great this afternoon. It is Saturday, 1:04 p.m. Today I'm going to speak about traffic violations here in California. They are known as traffic laws. Different types of issues that are regarding, like for example, traffic tickets, and how they end up to be criminal cases, like for example DUIs, or even having drugs in your vehicle, or even making mistakes, like when you're driving down the road and you pass a sign that says stop or a yield sign, or don't slow down when you see a stop sign but fail to continue driving faster than what the sign might say when it says to slow down. Those are traffic violations. And what you will need to do, if you do get any of that, of course, you're definitely going to need a traffic attorney, or even a traffic attorney that will take you to take traffic classes in regards to that. So, and if you get any of these tickets, you might be eligible for even work duties, for if you're not able to pay these traffic tickets, you can work it off by working in like churches or police departments or Caltrans, where you can go ahead and complete those hours that would be to what it would cost to make that payment for the traffic violations. Of course, you're going to have to register. That might be from $30 to $40 for the registration. Some are up to $60. I don't know. Every state, every county is very different, so that you can be aware of that. It's a lot paying for the ticket unless you're making a lot of money and don't have that problem. So the penalty for driving without insurance in California is from $100 to $200 on the first offense, and it could be $200 to $500 for the second offense for driving without a valid insurance. So most people are aware that if you don't have insurance within 30 to 60 days and you're driving and you get caught, that's the penal. That's what you're going to be paying, the consequences for that matter. Now, if you don't know anything about the traffic laws and you're not able to get that information on Google, on the search bar, you can also request a portal handbook at the California Department of Motor Vehicles. There's booklets there that you can ask for and read and understand the laws of the land in the state. So, and moving forward, how does California define reckless driving? Reckless driving is one of the more serious offenses covered by California Vehicle Code. It is also one that closely tied to DUI cases in California. The law defines reckless driving as driving in willful or wanton disregard for the safety of persons or property. If you were driving in a safe manner when you were pulled over for a DUI, you could be charged with reckless driving as well. So, what that means, do not drink and drive, period. Call Uber or call a friend, or, if you're in a lounge like a intoxicated business, a business where they sell alcohol, you might want to go ahead and let the person that works behind the desk or the bar, to go ahead and hold your keys and to keep them until you get be able to get picked up. Okay, it's better to be safe than sorry. It can cost you your life, it can cost the life of other people, and it can cost you a big fine and put you in jail for a very long time. So what are the laws of California for driving? More California driving laws. Drivers cannot use any kind of handheld device while driving. Okay. Handheld devices is like a cellular phone, or any type of digital electrical equipment. But you also have to be careful. It depends. I would say even turning on the radio or playing with with your stereo systems, or any digital device that deals with the system, you can also get ticketed for that if you are caught by the California Highway Patrol or road police driving on the roadway. You can also be fined. That is the law of the land, and that is what you will get penalized for if you get caught. Make sure you have your seat belts all the time. For everyone in the vehicle, that is required. Children who are under 8 and under must be used as a child safety seat. So, a safety seat you must be in a safety seat if you're under 8. And you have to wear a seat belt on top of that seat belt. The driver's vehicle seat belt and the one that is required for children under 8, because they also have seat belts for that. So double or nothing, or 3 is better than none. So that's the case on that. Now, if you were driving, and motorcycles must wear a helmet. So everyone driving on the road on a motorcycle must wear a helmet, period, and must have a license plate. Throwing litter out of a vehicle can also get you a ticket. That's a traffic violation. I've seen it in Montebello many years ago while going to court for the same thing. Unfortunately, I've seen a lot of people in there for littering, and those are they actually charge you a lot of money. So be careful as well as I am. Hefty fines. It's better not to get a fine, and don't litter at all. Speed losses are also a traffic violation. So when you're driving down the road, driving down the street, don't go over that. So if you don't know if California has the toughest DUI laws, I will go ahead and give you that information. California does have some of the toughest DUI laws in the U.S. Not all of them, but does have a majority of tough laws for DUIs in this state. Many provisions are designed to help offenders cope with their lost or limited privileges. For example, there is a DMV hearing process that provides for individuals to challenge the automatic imposition of a license suspension by the Department of Motor Vehicles following their arrest. So, if you don't know anything about the laws here in the state, you can go to the search bar and click on www.chamberslawfirmcalifornia.com/toughest/DUI/law. So that's the cases of what's going on here in the state of California. New laws have taken effect in this state January the 1st. Includes wildfire management, lower speed limits, cocktails, higher minimum wages, quizzes, safety gear, assembly. So anyways, if any of these things happen to you, don't forget, Legal Shield is able to help you. Like I said, they're also associated with Parker Stanbury, located in downtown Los Angeles. I have a Facebook that deals with Legal Shield services, and I believe that there's an email there, as well as the 2 emails that are where you are able to get in touch with me for any other products there that might be able to help you with any issues that you might have, or anything concerning criminal information, as well as anything other than that, civil information that you might need. Legal Shield will be able to help you for very low prices. If you're one individual, like single, or even a family, they have prices not too much money that would be for the family, would probably be maybe $5, $6, $7 more. I'm not sure yet because it's just changing. I haven't looked at my website for that, but you can go ahead and look at my website and get that information, and it's accurate information. So I have very different products. There's even as well as identity theft that Legal Shield can help you with. There's over 70 lawyers at Parker Stanbury, and they are with Legal Shield. So don't be afraid. If one doesn't work out for you, you can also ask for a different attorney. So don't be afraid. I've been with Legal Shield for 17 years. I'm very happy with them. They, after so long, and you get help from certain attorneys there, you can ask them for other information, like help, like doing wills for you, or anything other than that. Whatever comes into your mind, feel free to ask. Don't be ashamed. They're there to help you. That's what they're there for. Well, everyone, like I said, that's all the information that I have for you today that deals with traffic laws, traffic violations, so forth and so on. I will catch you in a week or two with some other information that Legal Shield is able to help you with. You enjoy the rest of your Saturday. Until I see you again, Advertenci. You take care. Goodbye. See you again. Bye-bye.